Pier, give yourselves a round of applause. Please remain seated with your arms and legs inside until we come to a full stop and receive the following care. Once instructed, unbuckle, gather your belongings, and step outside, watching your step onto the floor. Check your seats. Anything left behind might just be taking another spin. Thanks for riding Hypno Twister, and enjoy the rest of your day here on Shoreline Pier at Great Adventure.
And you'll like to that towards Flying Studios. If you'd like to enjoy any other rides, I recommend Superman.